we were going to take a buy right off the 382. So, for example, we go here. Everyone who was on my call last night during London session took a buy right here. Now price is trading up here. We're looking to take it at least up to here. So, going back to this, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. You always have to have a stop loss, and you always have to have a take profit. There's three things you have to have before you go into any trade. You need to know your entry price. For example, when you see us placing trades, we're going to stay patient until price gets to where we want, where it's a good buying or selling zone. You have to have your stop loss, no matter what. Whatever trade you go into, you need to have a stop loss. So say we were going to go ahead and buy gold. So we're buying it at this price right here. Our stop loss, I would put it right here. Let's go ahead and delete this. Stop loss is going to be 1322.79. Why? Because it's at the lowest of the swing low underneath the 382. So 1322.60 is where I'm going to put this. So 1332.60. Now I'm going to go ahead and buy it. Invalid SL. Oh, I see what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stop loss all the way down here, right beneath this low. Because if we don't have a stop loss and price decides to go the other way, it goes lower than this, once it hits this line, our stop loss, it's going to automatically close the trade out. Now we go ahead and look to the left, it's like a $435 loss. Now, that's because I just placed the 0.50, and I'm just doing this to show you guys how to place stop loss. So, we place stop loss there. Now, if we didn't have a stop loss and price kept on going and going and going and going, came to here, $600 loss, $1,100 loss. You always have to have a stop loss before you go into a trade. Now, we have to have realistic expectations and realistic targets when we're trading. This right here is a nice reversal candle. If I was going to be looking for a take profit, I would probably put my take profit somewhere in this level right here. Take profit 1 is going to be here for like a $500 move, but realistically, I'd be putting it up to this level. Now, on the platform online, what you can do is you can manually type everything in, or you can just click and drag your take profits, click and drag your stop losses. So the stop losses are going to prevent you from losing